Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a follow-through video with my previous vlog. This time, we will combine the two products of hair. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung ano ang naging resulta ng aking buhok, continue watching this video. Hair care is an essential part of our overall health and well-being. It is important to have a hair care routine that is easy to follow. As years go by, we experience various transitions in our physical bodies, such as a slower metabolism, hair gradually growing thinner, dull, frizzy, and damaged due to work-related stress and environmental factors. All these are brought about by the development of our bodies as we age. Slow down the aging process and keep your hair in tip-top shape by living out this hair care regimen using hair, shampoo, and conditioner. It contains all natural ingredients that works to improve your hair's health by adding collagen, biotin, and B-complex vitamins. There are several benefits for using this for your hair. It contains an advanced thickening complex, stimulates new hair growth, best for all hair type. It is color safe and cruelty safe. Start with a hair care routine that is tailored with your personal needs. Follow these steps to make use of your hair care experience. First, use a natural hair care supply when starting in hair care. This will allow to use gentle products in your scalp with minimal side effects. Second, make sure to follow a hair care routine. This will ensure that your hair is conditioned, styled, and protected every time you wash it. Without a regular hair care routine, this will make your locks dry, dull, frizzy, and damaged. Third, get the most of your hair by using hair products that is suited for all hair types, whether curly, wavy, or straight. These products will protect your locks while leaving them healthy and lush looking. If you are new to my channel, I already did a video using this hair shampoo. It has biotin, collagen, and B-complex. This is paraben-free, cruelty-free, all-natural ingredients. Treats hair loss and for fuller and thicker hair. Other ingredients can be seen here at the back part in 250 ml. We will now proceed with what I use now, combining hair shampoo with this hair conditioner. Both of this product contains biotin, collagen, and B-complex for hair loss and making the hair thick and full looking. Directions for use: use an ample amount of this product and allow 2 to 3 minutes to set in your hair and rinse thoroughly in 250 ml. Both of their aromas is very good smell. Talaga ang combination ng dalawang ito is giving us a bath time, so relaxing and calming. The next clip that I will be showing to you is my 5 days experience while combining the shampoo and conditioner on my hair. And the other 2 clips is the 2 days of using only the hair conditioner para makita nyo ang difference ng buhok ko while using both of them and only the conditioner. In my previous vlog, while using the hair shampoo, I've noticed lessen po ang aking dandruff. The shampoo alone is a proof that it is best in scalp care kasi hindi siya makati sa scalp. Hindi naman siya masyadong silky kasi nga shampoo lang siya. But combining these two, using your finger, you can easily comb your hair. Ganyan siya ka-smooth ang naging epekto ng aking buhok. What I've observed also is naging vibrant ang color ng hair ko the more I use it. Binigyan niya ng volume ang aking buhok. Yung experience ko naman while using the conditioner alone is hindi po siya ganun ka-volumized. Hindi siya buwaghag looking, slight na malagkit ang kaniyang touch kasi nga conditioner lang siya. So, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo na ganun ang magiging feel na parang yung merong malagkit na feel, conditioner lang po lahat ang gamitin ninyo. But if gusto nyo ng volumized looking pero soft naman siya, kahit nga finger comb, pwedeng-pwede, combine nyo ang hair shampoo at saka ang hair conditioner. To complete the combination of these hair products, the hair shampoo and the hair conditioner, meron po itong Trio, which is the hair mask. Kung gusto nyo ng salon look, try this combo and add nyo ang kanilang hair mask. You may purchase the hair conditioner and shampoo and other products of the same brand via online using the Lazada and Shopee online stores. And even in TikTok, bibili po ang hair brands. Dali na, add to cart na, bumili na ng ating hair shampoo and hair conditioner for that silky smooth, volumized hair. Have a great hair day every day with hair shampoo and conditioner. That's about it for today's video. Thank you for watching and consider subscribing to our channel. Click the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. Remember, do good and good will come to you. May all our dreams come true. Gracias!